Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwasher doors have an outer and an inner door panel. If the outer panel is damaged, then it's best to install a new one. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the outer door panel. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our Reliable Parts locations. Thanks for watching.